If you want to buy a home, you should know that your credit score is a critical piece to the puzzle when it comes to qualifying for a mortgage. Now, lenders review your credit to see if you typically make payments on time, pay back debts, and more. Now, your credit score can also determine your mortgage rate. An article from the US Bank explains a credit score isn't the only deciding factor on your mortgage application, but it is definitely a significant one. So when you're house shopping, it's important to know where your credit stands and how to use it to get the best mortgage rate possible. Now that means your credit score may feel even more important to your home buying plans right now, since mortgage rates are a key factor in affordability. Now, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, the median credit score in the US for those taking out a mortgage is 770. But that doesn't mean your credit score has to be perfect. Now, the same article from US Bank explains your credit score, commonly called a FICO score, can range from 300 at the low end to 850 at the high end. A score of 740 or above is generally considered good, but you don't need that score or above to buy a home. Working with a trusted lender is the best way to get more information on how your credit score could factor into your home loan and the mortgage rate you're able to qualify for. Now, as FICO says, while many lenders use credit scores like FICO scores to help them make lending decisions, each lender has its own strategy, including the level of risk it finds acceptable. There's no single cutoff score used by all lenders, and there are many additional factors that lenders may use to determine your actual interest rates. Now, if you are looking for ways to improve your score, Experian highlights some things you may want to focus on. All right, number one is your payment history. Late payments can have a negative impact by dropping your score. Focus on making payments on time and paying any existing late charges quickly. All right, number two is your debt amount relative to your credit limit. So when it comes to your available credit amount, the less you're using, the better. So focus on keeping this number as low as possible. And then finally, credit applications. So if you are looking to buy something, do not apply for additional credit. When you apply for new credit, it could result in a hard inquiry on your credit that drops your score. All right, so the bottom line, guys, is finding ways to make your credit score better could help you get a lower mortgage rate. If you want to learn more, definitely talk to a trusted lender. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, for taking the time out of your day to spend with me. If you have any questions about the process of buying a home, feel free to shoot me a direct message. I'm happy to assist in any way. And if you do want to speak with any trusted lenders that I work with, I definitely have a lot of connections. Shoot me a direct message. I'd be happy to go ahead and have that 20-minute call, and then I'll get you connected with all my trusted lenders. With that said, guys, you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.